first of all, what we're looking at here is this is a relative strength line of the Dow Jones Industrial Average to the NASDAQ 100. So looking at the Dow Jones, and there's a reason I'm doing Dow Jones to NASDAQ 100, which will become evident in a minute, but Dow Jones is our proxy for blue chip value-oriented type stocks. We know it's an old, cranky old index, weird construction, all that stuff, but I really like it. I think that point and figure works really well with it, et cetera, et cetera. But note the characteristic of this since 2019 is as long as the line is dropping, mega cap growth is outperforming. So note how you have a what we'll call a redistribution back here in 2019, and then that which is a distribution preparing for another outperformance segment in mega cap. Down it goes, and look at this climactic decline into early 2020. That is the COVID low, and then another preliminary support in July, and I actually labeled July and September's preliminary support. I have the wrong term there, buying climax. It's actually a selling climax. I've corrected that on the chart. You'll see in a future one. But there's a selling, I'm calling that the selling climax because it comes in combination with the automatic rally. And so those two set up the outer bounds of the trading range. And then you have ultimately a spring in a test, change of character where it rallies up. So now you're seeing, now we're not out of the structure yet, but we are out of the downtrend. You can see that in the preliminary support area that there's a throw under oversold condition, classic Wyckoffian trend analysis, beautiful. And then some kind of a cause building, and we are making the argument that we should be looking for a cause, a rotational turn towards more of the dirty 30 blue chip kind of names, and that includes oil and gas and materials and all these other areas that are more associated with the real economy, so to speak, rather than the digital economy. And so we haven't come out of this potential accumulation range yet, but that is sort of how I'm looking at this. And because I have analog envy, because Ramon has such great analogs, I have an analog for you. So